What is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is caused by the accumulation of plastic waste in the environment. It can be categorized in primary plastics, such as cigarette butts and bottle caps, or secondary plastics, resulting from the degradation of the primary ones. It can also be defined by its size, from microplastics, small particles of this plastic dispersed in the environment, to macroplastics. Plastic pollution can take different forms, including the accumulation of waste, the accumulation of marine litter, fragments or microparticles of plastics and non-biodegradable fishing nets, which continue to trap wildlife, and waste. Waste causing death to animals by ingestion of plastic objects, and the arrival of microplastics and microbeads of plastics from cosmetic and body care products.
Plastic pollution causes. Since its commercial development in the 1950s, plastic has been a real success. Its global production is growing exponentially. Its success comes from its remarkable qualities: ease of shaping, low cost, mechanical resistance, etc. Being the ideal material for packaging, plastic is basically everywhere. But what are the causes of plastic pollution? Negligence is the main cause. In fact, it is estimated that 80% of marine litter comes from land. This pollution comes mainly from household waste, which is poorly recycled, dumped in landfills, or abandoned in nature. This waste is carried by the winds, pushed by the rains into sewers, streams, rivers, and finally, in the oceans. Natural disasters such as floods must be considered as other causes of plastic pollution as well.
This pollution can have harmful effects on the land and rivers by affecting wildlife and habitat, but also on human health. The plastic debris represents as a chemical pollution in several ways. They contain compounds that can be chemically transferred to organisms during ingestion. Some of these molecules are potentially toxic and can accumulate in the body. The most direct effect of plastic pollution is the imprisonment of animals in nets or large debris. It is the cause of significant mortality of marine mammals, turtles, and birds. Because of the chemical additives used during plastic production, plastic have potentially harmful effects on human health. Indeed, exposure to toxic chemicals coming out of plastic can cause cancers, birth defects, impaired immunity, and other health problems.
How to solve plastic pollution? Well, aside from cleaning up our oceans, which is a very significant first step, but not a long-term solution, the best way to address the plastic pollution is to change your mindset and habits with this controversial but nonetheless very useful material. Reduce. To efficiently reduce plastic pollution, there is an evident need to reduce our usage of plastic. Reuse. Many plastic items can therefore be reused or used for different purposes. Before throwing them plastic items, it is important to consider how they can be reused. Recycle. Recycling consists of collecting plastic waste and reprocessing it into new products to reduce the amount of plastic in the waste stream. Educate. Another crucial solution is education in order to increase awareness and behavioral change. Take care of the earth. It needs us.